Greek and Roman. So see how many influences, so many influences. Central Asian or Parthian, West Asian or Iranian or Achaemenian, Greek and Roman. Very remarkable feature of the Gandhara school or a sculptural school or a style is foreign influence that is visible in this image, but I have a presentation for you. Take a look. And in this presentation, you find all the features representing foreign influences. And what is very remarkable, the foreign influences represent a variety. This means these influences are Greek influences, Roman influences, Iranian influences, Central Asian influences. So take a look, foreign influences on Gandhara art. So we find a variety of influences, as I have said. Parthian, the first one here, Parthian or Central Asian. Parthian was a ruling group in this region. Next influence you find Iranian. Iranian or Achaemenian. Because the empire which existed here, known as Achaemenian, and sometimes since geography wise is West Asia, so West Asia. And then here say Greek and Roman. So see how many influences, so many influences. Central Asian or Parthian, West Asian or Iranian or Achaemenian, Greek and Roman. So now I discuss them one by one. First is profile face. The profile face of the figures. This shows Central Asian or Parthian influence. Profile face is the side. See, right now my front face is visible. But if I turn slightly, so this is my side view, this is profile face. So a sculpture or the images in this pose, you can say, is profile face. So this shows Central Asian Parthian influence. Double line style. Double line style means a style of relief under which, suppose this is a stone slab. I'm showing through illustration, you will understand. This is a stone slab. And double line style means that the depictions are on two horizontal lines. So some depictions are here, some depictions are here. This is known as double line style, and this is related to relief. This is also Central Asian or Parthian. Winged animals. Winged animals not depicted in Indian art in ancient times. This is Central Asian Parthian. Striped robes. Robes characterized by striped, and robes refers to the garment. This is also Central Asian Parthian. Large deep eyes, Central Asian Parthian. Hanging leg posture, Central Asian and Parthian. Hanging leg posture is a sitting posture in which one leg is not on the ground. So one leg is on the ground and one leg is hanging. This is Central Asian Parthian. Then number 7 is rosette motif. Rosette motif refers to a rose-like, the flower rose-like a motif for decoration. This is Iranian or West Asian or Achaemenian. Next is mustache. In many figures you find mustache here. This is also very unique because in Indian style this was not used during those days. So the Figures with mustache shows foreign influence, that is Iranian. Next is muscular body, as I have shown in the image. This is Greek and Roman. Curly hair, Greek and Roman. Heavy robes, Greek and Roman. Folds in the robes, Greek and Roman. Bent leg posture, Greek and Roman. And bent leg posture is a standing posture in which one leg is straight or erect and one leg is slightly bent at the knee. This is known as bent leg posture. This also shows Greek and Roman influence. Next is sandal wearing figures, means figures wearing sandal. That is also Greek and Roman. Next is sharp facial features, as I have shown in one image, Greek and Roman. And robe like Roman toga. Roman toga is a specific kind of garment. This is a huge, thick garment and which covers the whole body, that is shoulder down to your lower part of your leg. So this is Roman influence. So there are 16 points here, and these 16 points show the foreign influences on Gandhara art. So 1 to 6 shows Central Asian Parthian influence. 7, 8 shows Iranian, Achaemenian or West Asian. 9 to 15 shows Greek, both Greek and Roman. And 16 shows Roman.